heavy down deep in my bones. All I need is to understand what I'm shown. Sanctified and left inside. Life is ever fine in the low boil. Down in New Orleans, in the low boil, love becomes clear and begins to rise. Down in New Orleans, in the midst of the dark, I've got to find my way through the low boil. With my eyes wide open, I'm looking for clues. I understand the pulse of the low boil. I answer death's question in the smell of the storm that speaks to me and tells me the score. Sanctified, left inside. Life is everything in the low boil. Down in New Orleans, in the low boil, life becomes clear and begins to rise. Down in New Orleans, in the midst of the dark, I've got to find my way through the low boil. Down deep in the hollow, in the heart of life, a body floats face down in the low boil. Robert Johnson is moaning low, talking and wailing and bearing his soul.